And finally, the cool down. Let's start very relaxed. Side. Inhale. And 2 body rolls. One more time. Relax, give me 4. Inhale. 2 body rolls, torso. Go down, stretch. Extend the arms. Push to the front. And stretch your back. Now dynamic. Up, front, up, front. Stretch. Put your heel on the floor. Very good. Stretch your dorsal. And now, squat, stretch. 5, 6, together, poses. Torso. Cha-cha. Sexy, give me 4. Come back. Remember the reggaeton track is the same and now opposite. 4 body rolls. Front. Hug. And touch your torso. Again. Torso bumps. Come on. Cha-cha. Sexy. Come back. Open, close, open and close. Close, open, body roll. Very good. Now stretch to the other side. Go down. Arms. To the front. Push. Go up. Down. Stretch. Very good. Now, change. Five, 6, together, pose, choreography. Torso bumps. Come on. Open, 4 hips. Come back. Open, close. Open and close. Close. Open. Body roll, give me 4. One more time. Very good. Relax. Enjoy the mix. This is the end. Body roll. And now, adductor stretch. Stay there. Relax. 4, 3, hips side to side. Very good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Neck. Dynamic with torso. Open, close. Open, close. The other side. Relax your head. Open, close. Open, from the top, pose. Very good. This is the end. Relax. Chill out. Very good. One more time. Torso bumps. Cha-cha. Sexy. Woo. Okay, this is your last chance. Pose. Now it's your better. Very easy. Are you ready for the end? Pose like beginning.